Yo, what's up, legends? First things first, we just hit 5,000 subscribers. That's insane. Like, seriously, I still can't believe 5,000 people clicked on my face and thought, yeah, this guy knows what he's doing. Or maybe you just stayed for the bad jokes. Either way, I'll take it. Now, today's tutorial is about something super fun. How to make that muffled audio effect on your mobile using Node Video. You know, that effect where your music sounds like it's locked in the bathroom while you're outside dancing, or when your neighbor throws a party and you're invited, but only through the wall. And the best part? No complicated software, no giant PC setup. Just your phone, Node Video, and a little bit of patience because let's be real, editing on mobile sometimes feels like performing surgery with boxing gloves on. Alright, enough of me talking, let's jump in before I make another bad joke. Or actually, let's be honest, the bad jokes are never going away. Here's the preview.
I swear on my father's grave, Spider-Man will pay.
And that's it. You've officially rescued your audio from sounding like it lives in a fish tank. If this tutorial helped, make sure to smash that like button harder than a bad mic pop, subscribe for more editing hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. I actually read them. Thanks for watching, and remember, clear audio equals happy ears. Catch you in the next one.